Have you seen how expensive pools are lately? And then you have to add in a screen enclosure? Today I want to show you a really nice house in a really nice neighborhood with a fantastic pool. I'm Craig Duran with the Duran Group at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Those of you familiar with the Palm model, this is the original Palm model, but there's an added room and added foyer, so you end up with a fourth bedroom that could work as an office, playroom, den, something like that. It also has a radiant barrier for the roof, which means lower electric bills. And one of the most important things, you can't see it on video, but it's really, really important, all of the interior walls, every single one of them is completely insulated. When you walk through this house, it's very, very, very quiet. For those of you who don't know, Palmetto Trace has 2 community pools. It's very close to Pier Park, Frank Brown Park, and easy access to the beaches. What I didn't mention earlier, Palmetto Trace sidewalks throughout the entire community, nice beautiful tree-lined streets, and it's very, very close to Gales Trails. If you have any questions about this or would like to see it in person, again, I'm Craig Duran with the Duran Group at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Give me a call, shoot me a text, 850-527-0221. Thanks for watching.